Hi, today we're working with bananas Fosters. We're going to be cooking a simple dish, bananas Fosters that we cook. It comes with butter, brown sugar, lemon, oranges, bananas, Bacardi, and cinnamon. You're going to see how simple this is. Traditionally, a lot of people like to put flavored banana rum and flavored, but I like to have fresh orange juice and lemon juice attached to it. So anyways, you're going to heat up a frying pan on your stove to a medium heat. You're going to come over here and add a few cubes of butter. Okay, this is going to be the base of the sauce. Try not to heat if it's too cold. And when you're doing that, you can add a few tablespoons of brown sugar. Light brown sugar is better, not dark. Dark brown sugar is a little bit too rich. Okay, as you see, I'm just dumping it in there. It's more than a couple tablespoons. I will use a fork to make sure it's evenly distributed and smash them to each other. Now what's going to happen here is it's going to melt at approximately about 110 degrees. Okay. As I can see, I'm going to need a little more brown sugar for the base. And what you're going to have it do is you're just going to come down to a boil. So as you can see, it's simmering a little bit. So this way it's pretty much creating a part of your sauce there. There you go. So as you see the butter and the brown sugar dissolve within itself as it's boiling, and that's going to help bind the sauce. So do not start any earlier than this. The brown sugar is going to break down with the butter. Next, you're going to grab one orange, or a half an orange, and a half a lemon. Okay. You see that right here? You see the bubbling? That's what you want to have it happen. It needs to come to a boil. Then you're going to come and add a little bit of orange juice, a squeeze of it. Squeeze the whole thing in there. Squeeze some lemon juice. You're going to stir it around with the stirrers. Add a pinch of cinnamon to that. And make sure you stir it in. And again, I'm going to use my fork to make sure the cinnamon's incorporated. Now you see that bubbling right there? Then add one banana to it. Bring it to the stove. Add your Bacardi. Okay, and be careful you don't burn down the house. Flame it up. Stir it around. And you're going to add it over your ice cream. Hot flambéed bananas Fosters here. Some vanilla ice cream, vanilla bean preferred. And there you go. Now it's ready to eat. That's it. Thank you.